I'm not bothering about what men may say. But in 5 years, none of our people have died. And there's never been a casket rolled through people's temple. When 24 times in this year, and the year's not out, they've brought the dead in the doors, and they've gone out alive. When they've dropped dead in their seat, they've been resurrected. I'm not bothering about what you have to say. I'm not bothering about your opinion. I'm living in
Let's get it. Hop out for 16 passengers. This a G5, no, it's not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some members with me in the fridge. Get coat seats, they some cannibals. Eaters. They like to geek. Drink a whole bottle, wake up and repeat. Damn. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she said 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and ain't got a coat. I bet I come out with a mean. I bet I do shit for the fam, cause this shit bigger than me. Color stones in my infinity link. And in the factory masterpiece. I call him twin, cause that be my brother. We got the same roller, he matching me. Nah, for real.